I haven't spoken in so long. I'm so sorry about that. But welcome to a vlog, and if you're new here, my name's Tasha. I upload twice a week on a Wednesday and a Sunday, always at 7 PM UK time. So welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I just, as I said, wanted to do a vlog because I haven't in so long. So yeah, so this morning I've just been for a run. I've drank a litre of water. I'm now on my second litre and it is around 11 o'clock, so yeah. I've been really good lately. I've also just did my makeup this morning, like very naturally. So yeah, so I've been for a run and stuff, very physical activity because I want to try and lose some weight. But however, I am quite hungry now anyway, so I'm going to go make some breakfast and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So yeah, so that's the first thing I'm going to do, and yeah, I'll update you guys after breakfast. Okay, so I've eaten my breakfast. It was delicious. So now I think I'm gonna go make some blueberry muffins because we've got some blueberries to use up and they need to be used up by today. So I think I'm gonna go and do that. I'll update you guys in a bit as well. So yeah. This is the best part of baking, I swear. Just finished eating that and now I'm just on putting the cases into the tray and then I'm going to fill them with the mixture. So yeah, I'm just going to time lapse this. This one always likes to lick out the bowl, don't you, Charlie? Charlie! Look at her. So this is how the blueberry muffins are looking. Almost finished, but not quite. Okay, so I finished baking the cakes. These are the blueberry ones, and I've just also made some plain ones as well. So I just want to taste test the blueberry ones, as I've had plain ones before and they're nice as always. But I want to try one of these, so yeah, let's do a taste test. So I've just gone for this nice looking one with the blueberry coming out the top, so yeah, let's give this a try. You can see where the blueberry has burst, giving the cupcake or muffin, whatever, all that flavour. And these are actually really nice, so yeah, they're a hit. So now I think I'm gonna go take my makeup off, and then I think I'm gonna go and tint my eyebrows. So yeah, I will see you guys then. Okay, my makeup's now off and I'm just going to clip back my hair with these. That's done, so I'm just going to go ahead and tint my eyebrows. I have here with me a little spoolie to brush my eyebrows through with, the actual tint, a dapping dish to mix the tint in. I also have some tint developer, so yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the tint and then put like a centimetre in here or so, like that. And then I'm going to take my little developer, if you can see that, and then I'm just going to add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's about 5. And then I'm just going to mix that in. While that's doing that, I'm just going to brush my brows through quickly. And then I'm going to apply the tint. So once that's on, I'm going to wait 2 minutes and then I'm going to take it off. So now I'm just going to take it off. I have a cotton pad and some lukewarm water in this little cup. So I'm just going to dampen that and then take it off. So these are the eyebrows tinted. Just a little bit darker than they were. So yeah. So now I'm just going to chill out for an hour or so and then I'm going to make dinner and then yeah. I'll catch up with you guys then. I've just popped some food in for dinner. I've just got a low bun in because I'm sick of my high bun now. So anyway, I popped in some of these southern fried chicken without the meat veggie things in for dinner. So me and my brother are having 4 of these each because I really wanted to try them. The chicken nugget ones of these are absolutely disgusting. They are so plain. But the veggie fingers version are actually so nice, so I'll probably get those again. But I am on trying these tonight with my brother, so we're going to have 4 of these each. And then we are also going to have a spaghetti bolognese halved. So yeah. My mum's at work till about 8:30, so she normally comes in and makes her own food because obviously me and my brother would be hungry by then, so we cook before, and if we cook for her it would be cold for her and she just likes a snacky thing when she comes in from work. So yeah, that's what me and my brother are having, so yeah. So I don't think I've mentioned these dogs before. I might have in like a little video or something, but I want to mention it in this vlog. So this little brown one here is called Sue, and she is 10 years old. And then this one over here is called Charlie, and she is about 12 years old now. So yeah. Morning guys, I've just been for a run. I met 2 lovely nice runners, so nice. I'm also almost halfway through my litre of water. And I think now I'm just going to go make some pancakes because I am quite hungry. And then after that I think I'm going to clean my room and sort out my dresser. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. So I've just hoovered the floor, and now what I'm going to do is this little cabinet over here, I need to sort it out. But first I'm going to move it. So I kind of want it like, you know, it's like that way. I kind of want it this way now. So that's the way I'm going to move it, and then we're going to sort out those drawers down there. So I have just moved it this way because when I film I want a bit more of the natural light instead of it shining on my half of my face, and so I want it shining on my full face. So I've just moved it like this to see if the lighting will be any better, because I always use this little spotlight up here, but it makes the room go all dark and just like bright, really bright on me. So I'm going to try it this way. But yeah, I kind of really like it. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so this is that. I've got bits on here that I need to clean off, and then we're sorted. I think my room's pretty clean after that, so yeah. I've also got bits of my bed to sort out as well. So yeah. Okay, so I think we're half sorted. So this stuff is going to go back in my college kit. All of this stuff is for the bin. All of this I've just sorted out. I've put all my makeup in here, so yep, that's all done. These are just palettes that didn't fit in. All my foundations will stay out. And then this is just all my lip glosses and lipsticks in here. And then all of this skincare stuff I'm going to put in here, so yeah, I'm going to do that now. So I need to go and do a workout now, so I'll update you guys in a bit. So yeah, just finished my workout. As you can tell, I'm looking a bit red. It was 25 minutes long and I burned 200 calories, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna chillax and do myself a foot spa, and yeah, so let's do that. So I'm just filling this with kettle water, and I'm gonna let it cool as well. So this is what the foot spa sounds like. I just have my towel down, a foot rasp to get off the hard bits off the bottom of my feet. I also have a nail file, toenail clippers, some moisturiser, some scrub, and I've also picked out some nail varnishes, and this box is just full of nail varnish as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably time lapse this. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna chill and wait for dinner. My mum's cooking tonight, as I made breakfast for her and my brother. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out until then, and it is now 5 o'clock. Hey guys, I had jack and potato, beans and sausages for dinner. I forgot to show you guys. Now I'm just sat in bed watching telly and eating little Haribo heart sweets. So yeah. How cute is this? Hang on. How cute is my little setup? So I'm just watching TV, I've got my candle on, I've got my little lights on, I've got my lamp on to make the room nice and bright. And then look how nice this looks. I also got some new curtains, but you can hardly see them. But yeah, I got some new curtains. They're just like a crushed velvet grey, which are really cute. So yeah. So this is the end of the vlog. I've got my pyjamas on, and yeah, if you have watched it this far, then like the video and subscribe down below. It would mean the absolute world to me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.